5 good sunscreens for upcoming summers. First being the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA++ Gel Sunscreen, which has niacinamide. It is as lightweight as water and is perfect for oily and combination skin as it is completely non-sticky and leaves no white cast. Second one on my list is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel with SPF 50 PA++. It is a paraben-free, cruelty-free, matte, gel-based sunscreen with no white cast, perfect for normal to oily skin. The third product included in today's list is the Plum 2% Niacinamide and Rice Water Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++. Completely suitable for all skin types, including oily, dry, and combination skin. It has UVA and UVB protection, which reduces tan and brightens the skin. Leaves behind no white cast. It has a non-sticky formula. Next in line is the Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA 4 pluses with hyaluronic acid. It instantly helps give the skin a cooling effect. It has broad spectrum protection, helps control excess oil secretion, leaves no white cast, and is also suitable for all skin types. Fifth and the last product in today's video is Pond's Sun Miracle SPF 55 PA++ Light Sunscreen with 3% niacinamide. It slowly helps fade dark spots in about 4 weeks of regular usage and not only protects the skin but also brightens it. Lightweight formula that leaves no white cast. I have bought all these sunscreens from Amazon and all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box for your quick reference. Current sale details, if any, will also be mentioned in the description box. Do check the description box if you wish to buy any of these products. That was all for today's video. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.